This is a 15-minute scalping strategy using the breakout trading strategy, which is suitable for trading Forex, gold or XAU/USD, crypto, and various other assets. Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Strategy Explorer channel. The scalping strategy we will discuss this time is a scalping strategy using the breakout trading strategy. This scalping strategy is one of the most powerful and very easy to use strategies, even if you are a beginner trader. Besides being suitable for the 15-minute time frame, you can also use this breakout trading strategy on the 5-minute and 30-minute time frames. Make sure to stay until the end of this video so you don't miss out on other interesting information that we will share. And don't forget to support this channel by liking and subscribing. Let's get started. To use this scalping strategy, you can go to Tradingview. Then, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type Breakout Finder. Next, simply select the Breakout Finder indicator from Lonesome the Blue. After that, set up the Breakout Finder indicator. In the Input tab, set the period value to 3. Then, set the max breakout length value to 100. After that, set the minimum number of tests value to 3. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. This Breakout Finder indicator will be used as a guide to identify potential breakouts in the market. If the price candlestick breaks out and a blue triangle appears, it indicates a bullish breakout. Meanwhile, if the price candlestick breaks out and a red triangle appears, it indicates a bearish breakout. Now, add the second indicator, which will be used as a trend filter in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Moving Average Colored EMA. Then, simply select the Moving Average Colored EMA indicator from Repo 32. Next, make some adjustments to the Moving Average Colored EMA indicator. Go to the Input tab and enable the checkbox for Show EMA on Chart. Then, change the EMA length value to 200. After that, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, change the color of color 2 to white. Then, adjust the EMA line thickness according to your preference. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. This Moving Average Colored EMA indicator will be used as a trend guide in the market. If the color of the colored EMA line is green, it indicates a bullish trend. Meanwhile, if the color of the colored EMA line is red, it indicates a bearish trend. To complete this scalping strategy, you can add one more indicator which will be used as a signal filter in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type RSI Histo Entry. Then, simply select the RSI Histo Entry indicator from DUIC. Next, adjust the settings of the RSI Histo Entry indicator. Go to the Input tab and change the Use Different Timeframe option to 4 hours. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove some markers and keep only the RSI Histo section. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. This RSI Histo Entry indicator will be used as a signal filter in the market. If the color of the Histo Entry bar is green, it confirms a bullish signal. Meanwhile, if the color of the Histo Entry bar is red, it confirms a bearish signal. For more details, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this scalping strategy. How to place a sell order. If the Breakout Finder indicator shows a bearish breakout signal, you must first confirm the signal before placing a sell order. Make sure that the moving average colored indicator shows a bearish trend. Make sure that the Histo Entry Indicator confirms a bearish signal. For the final confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all the conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick has fully closed. Place the stop loss at the last high. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. If the Breakout Finder indicator shows a bullish breakout signal, you must first confirm the signal before placing a buy order. Make sure that the moving average colored indicator shows a bullish trend. Make sure that the Histo Entry Indicator confirms a bullish signal. For the final confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all the conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick has fully closed. Place the stop loss at the last low. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology. Click like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. That's all, and see you in the next video.